So now let's see how we can work around with posterize, reduce noise, and shadow and highlight effects. So to do that, I'm going to go around under the effects section right here, and under advanced adjustment right here, you can see that posterize is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on this particular footage, then you can change around the level of this footage right here, just like this. So you can really bring it down to make it look like a poster, as you can see right here. Apart from that, there are other effects, like there's a reduced noise right here. So if there's any noise on the footage, then you can go around and choose high quality and then reduce out the noise of the footage right here. So if there's noise right here, then it'll reduce out the noise right here. Let me just go around and delete that posterize effect out right here. Let me just go around and delete out the adjustment itself, and then bring in let's say, for example, over here in effects right here, let's just go around over here on to reduce noise. So once I go around and add that in, what happens is that small noise particles, they disappear. But in my video, there's not much noise, so it's not really taking much into effect. But what you can also do is you can go around and work around with shadow and highlights and then add that in. So what it does is it creates an adjustment layer right here, and what you can do is you can go around and smooth everything out right here and detect out the scene as well, and you can blend around with the original as well if you want. So there's auto amounts right now, but if you have the manuals, then you can change around the dark parts of the footage right here. So you can decrease this out or increase the shadow amount, as you can see, just like this. You can also go around and change around the highlight amounts. That means it affects out the bright areas, as you can see right here. So that is what you have right here. So that is how you can go around, work around with the shadow highlights, and you can bring in the details of the dark area, while you can go around and bring down the details of the bright area, which results in a balance just like this. So that is how you can work around with posterize, reduce noise and shadows and highlights inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.